Hi, this is Carly from Buns in My Oven, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing chicken salad sandwich. It's got so much flavor thanks to the buffalo sauce and the crisp, cool veggies. It makes a great sandwich, or you can eat it as a dip with celery or crackers. It's really easy. It's ready in about 10 minutes. Let me show you how to make this. Okay, you're going to start with some shredded cooked chicken and then add in some shredded carrots and chopped celery. This adds the perfect crunch. Season it with a little bit of ranch seasoning and buffalo sauce. You can use as spicy or as mild as you like. Stir in some mayonnaise or Greek yogurt if you want to keep things a bit healthier. Either way, it works great. Just give it a stir and then it's ready to eat. Pile it onto a piece of bread, or as I said, you can use this as a dip with crackers or celery. We like to top it off with a little bit of lettuce and a drizzle of ranch dressing or blue cheese if that's your style. And it makes a really great lunch. It's quick, it's easy, and it's always a hit with my family. Thank you for watching, and if you want to keep on watching, I will be sharing a few more recipes that you might like. All of these recipes are available at bunsinmyoven.com.